There is concern that the education gap is widening and that COVID-19 is to blame. News 4's Carly Gordon spoke to a local expert about what he thinks needs to be done to make sure all kids get a quality education.
Obviously, we have long-standing challenges with inequity in education.
Dr. Wayne Lewis is a dean and professor of education at Belmont. He's also a dad.
And as a parent, this is a scary time.
One of his biggest concerns right now is that children who were already being underserved before the pandemic are now going to get left behind.
If you have parents who are home who have time and resources to be able to support kids through remote learning, as opposed to the single mother who's pulling a double shift at Kroger with a high school education and middle and high school kids.
It's why Lewis says it's imperative that communities and policymakers take action. And he says more funding isn't the only answer.
Yes, money matters. The amount of money that we put into schools matters, but it also matters how we spend the dollars that go into schools.
When kids finally get back to their classrooms, Lewis says their social and emotional health needs to be evaluated.
Because regardless of your family background or economic situation, kids are enduring significant trauma.
Next, he says they should be screened academically. Find the kids who need the most help and help them.
There's going to be learning loss like we've never seen before. And rather than just take guesses about where those deficits are, we're going to have to be able to give screeners to understand where they are and then strategically address with instruction, high quality instruction, those gaps in their learning.
Carly Gordon, News 4 Nashville.